What's up, everybody? Mike here. We have the Intex inflatable kayak. So, comes with a pump, 2 paddles, max capacity is 400 pounds, and it says it's certified. So it's a pretty popular product on Amazon. I've actually never been on a kayak, so I do live in Florida, so this is going to be interesting. I'm gonna unbox it and see what we got here. All right, so out of the box, it has a nice little carry bag. So this is pretty nice. You can put this in your car and go ahead and open this up. So you have your paddles. And then here is your pump. So here is the paddle out of the bag, and then the pump. Paddle is pretty simple. Just kind of snap it into place. Ready to go kayaking. All right, so it was my first time out there on a kayak. I had a good time, and I would recommend this product, especially for the price. Pretty affordable. These kayaks can be kind of expensive. The one thing I will say and recommend is go easy on that handheld pump. It's not the nicest pump, so if you tend to go harder on it, it breaks a lot. But luckily, it seems to be able to be put back together. But overall, I would recommend it. As you can see, it's a highly rated product, one of the best sellers on Amazon. Thanks for watching. I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.